Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about sort function of list. But before understanding this function, we need to understand the term sorting. So what do you understand by the term sorting? Sorting means arranging the data either in ascending or in descending order. Means sort function in Python is used to arrange the list items either in ascending order or in descending order. So there are syntaxes for arranging the data either in ascending or in descending order. So let's talk about first ascending order. So list1 dot sort. List1 is the name of my list on which I want to apply sorting, and sort function is written without any argument passed inside it. For example, list1 is equal to this. So I have the unordered list with me. That means it is containing 5 number of elements, but they are neither arranged in ascending nor in descending order. Now, I want to sort them in ascending order. So I'm applying over here list1 dot sort. And my print function will give me this result. List has been sorted in ascending order. One more thing with respect to this I would like to mention over here is that we have talked several times earlier also that lists are mutable in nature. That means whatever the changes we are going to do in our list, that will be done permanently inside the list. So same here, we are applying sorting, whether it is ascending or descending, it will be done permanently into my list. So after applying this sorting, my list will not remain same as earlier, but it will be converting into this new result. Now we are going to understand that how can we sort the element of the list in descending order. So let's have a look. Now, syntax for arranging in descending order. List1 dot sort reverse is equal to true. So inside my sort function, I'm passing one argument having true Boolean value. So if the reverse is true, that means my list elements will be sorted in descending order. For example, list1 is equal to this. We are taking the same list example. Now I'm going to apply list1 dot sort, and inside it I'm passing reverse is equal to true. So if it is, then my print function will return me this result. And again, the same thing, that list is converted into this particular list permanently now. So my list has been sorted in descending order. So now let's implement these two functionalities practically also. So now I am going to take one list. L1 is equal to 12, 34, 22, then 67, 45, and then 36. So this is my list of integer numbers. Now, if I want to arrange this list, this unordered list into ascending order, then what should I write? L1 dot sort. And inside my sort function, I should not pass any argument. Now, if I'll be writing the print function, then I will get this particular result. And moreover, the list has been changed permanently now. That means all the list elements are arranged in ascending order permanently. Now the same thing if I want to reverse, that means if I want to sort the elements into descending order, then what should I do? So let me declare the list again. After that, I should write L1 dot sort, and inside this, I should write reverse is equal to true. Now I need to take care of one more thing over here is that true is my Boolean value, and Boolean value should be written in this way, like T should be capital of true. If I'll be writing it into small, then it is no more my keyword. So whenever write Boolean values, always write T capital in true. Now I'll be applying my print function on L1, and the list will be displayed in this way. That means in descending order. And now again, I would like to repeat that the list has been converted into descending order permanently. So this is all about the integer values. Now let me take the example of some character values, or we can say the string values. So L1 is equal to, now I'm going to take some color names like red, then we can take yellow, then we can take blue, and one more color we can take white, right? So this is my list of color names, which are my string values. Now I need to apply the sort feature onto it. So I'll be writing L1 dot sort. I want to arrange them in ascending order. So let me check what is my result. I'll be getting this particular result. And why is it happening? Because in my strings, we always check the character by character, all the values. So this value is starting with R. This value is starting with Y. This value is starting with B. This value is starting with W. So all the values first character will be compared with each other. And how will they be compared? As we have already discussed earlier also in our string tutorials, that strings have the ASCII codes internally. So each and every character has some ASCII code over there. And those ASCII codes are compared with each other. So my sort function is going to sort the list in lexicographic manner. That means all the values will be compared according to their ASCII codes, and then I will get the result. So if you check blue B is starting with B alphabet, and B alphabet is comes first before R alphabet. R comes before W alphabet, and W alphabet comes before Y alphabet. So accordingly, all the string values are arranged in ascending order. In the same way, if I'll be applying the descending order syntax, then I'll be writing L1 dot sort, and in the bracket reverse is equal to true. The syntax will remain same. There will not be any difference in the syntax of arranging the data in ascending or in descending order. So I'll be getting this result. So this is my descending order. So at the last we have Y, then we have W, then we have R, and at the end we have B. So this is how we sort the list. And according to the integer values, float values, and character values, we can sort the data either in ascending or in descending order. So I hope the concept is clear to everyone. So keep watching, keep practicing. I will come with more tutorials in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.